Hello everyone, let's count the fish. Are you ready? Let's go. One fish. One, two fishes. One, two, three fishes. One, two, three, four fishes. One, two, three, four, five fishes. One, two, three, four, five, six fishes. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven fishes. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight fishes. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine fishes. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10 fishes. Fantastic job. Well done, everyone. Fantastic counting. Great job. Well done. Hello, parents. I'm so excited to share my Etsy store where you will find a range of handmade resources created by an early years teacher, that is me, to support your child's early reading, writing and math skills. These engaging and educational materials are designed to make learning fun and effective. Visit my store and explore the perfect tools to help your little ones thrive. I will leave the link below. Thank you for your support.